YouTube family, we're doing a collaboration with BBQ GUNS. So this collaboration is all about spaghetti. He's doing a spaghetti recipe and I'm doing a spaghetti recipe. Check out my man BBQ GUNS and subscribe to his channel. This is what I got going on for my here ingredients for my spaghetti. I got some smoked sausage links that I've sliced up, and then I also have some medium-sized shrimp. They're about 20 to 25 count. Then I have a green pepper and an onion. I have one jalapeno chopped with 2 garlic cloves chopped, black pepper, kosher salt, and some sugar. Then I have some Spain spices, sweet basil, and spicy seasoning, along with Hunt's canned tomato sauce and 1 can of tomato paste Hunt style. And the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and brown up these here smoked sausages. After they're brown, we're gonna go ahead and take them on up out of this here skillet. The next thing we want to do is we want to get us at least around about 1 tablespoon of butter. Add that butter to our skillet. Let it melt just a little bit. Then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna toss in our shrimps. Only thing we want to do is cook these shrimps for at least around about 1 minute per side. 1 minute should be good enough for this here recipe, for my spaghetti recipe. Now, after we've got these brown on each side, you know what I'm saying, I want you to go ahead and take them right on out. 1 minute should be good enough for cooking these here shrimps. Now let's get ready to throw in our diced onions inside this here hot skillet. Then after we've got the onions put inside, we're gonna go ahead and toss in our chopped green peppers. This is 1 green pepper and 1 small diced up onion. After we've done that, we're gonna toss in our jalapenos, 1 chopped jalapeno. We're gonna toss in our garlic. Now we're going to add some black pepper to this as well. And we also going to toss in some salt. After that, we're going to go ahead and give this a little mix. And we just want to cook our green peppers and onions until they're like translucent. And then after that, we're going to move over to the next step. And the next step is us adding our smoked sausages. Man, I wish y'all could smell this right now. This is like permeating up in the kitchen. I'm telling you, you'll love this here recipe, so try it. But don't go nowhere, you got to check it out. After we got everything mixed up together with our sausage and onions, what I've done here is I transferred my onion and pepper mixture along with the smoked sausages to another deeper pan, because I'm making some sauce here and I don't think that little skillet is gonna hold my sauce, so I need a deeper pan. So I got both of my cans of Hunt's tomato sauce. I'm tossing it right on up in here. After that, I'm taking this here tomato paste, that whole 6-ounce can, and putting it in that as well, because we're gonna make some good old spaghetti sauce. I'm telling you, y'all, it's gonna be good. You're gonna love it. You're gonna enjoy it. You got to try it. So I want you to go ahead and put your oven set at medium-high heat and let this here simmer for a little bit. But I'm gonna toss in the Spain spices, all right, the spicy seasoning, and I'm gonna toss in some of this here sweet basil seasoning from Spain Spices. Y'all need to go check out Spain Spices if you ain't got your spices. This stuff is good. All their products are good. I use it all the time. After I've added all of this here, the Spain spice seasoning, I want to give this a little mix as well. But before that, I want to add just a little bit of pepper up in here. You understand? I want to put just a little bit in there. But I also want to add some sugar to this here. I just want to sweeten up my sauce just so it can take a little bit of that bitterness out of the tomatoes. You know what I'm saying? Because you get some of that bitterness sometimes. So now what I'm going to end up doing after I mix this together, I also want to add some salt to this. You can taste your sauce just to see if it has enough salt, or you can add more salt as you go. That's what I've done. After that, I want to go ahead and toss a lid on this here and let it simmer on medium-high heat. Now, once it's simmering, here's a tip. You can move your pot to the side, off of the eye, so you can check it so the tomato sauce won't splatter on you once you've lift that lid up. Now, what I'm doing now is checking to see the thickness of my sauce by wiping the back of the spoon, and it's good right now. This is my thickness that I want. So I've added the shrimp also to the sauce. Now I'm ready to go ahead and sauce this thing right on up on my spaghetti, y'all. Look at here. Here's a question. How many of y'all like your pasta at the bottom, but you want your sauce put on top? How many of y'all eat it separate, just like this right here? Sauce on top of your spaghetti. Or how many of you would eat it all mixed together? Which one would you do? Would you like it, sauced up on top of your pasta? If you're that person, comment below. But if you are not this type of person, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and tell me if you like it all mixed up, all into one pot. Now, this is my sausage and shrimp spaghetti. I'm hoping that you guys really like this video. I'm hoping that you really enjoy this video. Please comment below. Let me know if you like it with the sauce on top of your spaghetti, or if you like your pasta all mixed up into one pot. Now, I know there are different kind of folk out there who enjoy these types of recipes. If you're that person, subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed. But please go check out JB BBQ and Guns and see what my man is cooking over there at his channel. And also subscribe to my Down Home Good Cooking on Facebook. So thank you so much for checking out Raymack's Kitchen and Grill. I really appreciate you. If you could watch these videos, because it will help me so, you know what I mean? So I always say, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Comment below, let me know what you want to see in the future. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.